Hello drone warriors, welcome back at your Drones Academy. I'm so glad that you are sharing this passion of drones with me. It really makes me happy when to see your comments, your likes, your subscriptions. Our band of friends really growing up. Thank you very much, all of you. Today design episode we talk about the engines. We have four types: the quadcopter engines, the conventional engines, special engines design, and the jet engines. Now the quadcopter engines we start with of two types, the brushless and the brushed. Both are electrical engines, electromagnetic men. The brushless is for the big quadcopters, the brushed is for the small ones. There are four types based on their power and their engine. Now the brushless is more efficient because it loses less heat. That's why its efficiency is up to 90%. Now for the conventional motors, we already know them. They are the fuel, the gasoline motors, which comes with propellers, fans, and ranging from 1 to 4 pistons. Same as with turboprops fans, which we see them a lot in the airplanes. Now the special engines, there are two types: the piston rotary and the ASM ramjet. The pistonless is now less used because it's very significantly worse thermal efficient, so it's not that much giving jet powers, but it's a compact design, it's a lower weight, and it's a fewer parts as an engine. It's based on the pressure, generates movement on the pressure. Now the other one is the advanced modern jet. This is a jet engine, but it's quite compact. Still it's not being used widely on the drones. Now the last type is the jet engines, which we already know. It's been used for the past 50 years on our airplanes, and it's I believe everything about the jet engines is well known. Now let me show you two new concepts of drones use jet engines. You can tell where the drone's world is heading. This is the MQ Stingray. It provides airborne tanker service for aircraft Air Force. Imagine that. And the other one is the VTOL jet engines, which is development is coming through. Well, you can imagine. Thank you, fellow warriors, for your watching, and thank you for your subscription and support with likes and comments.